Hello, my name is Lori Ashworth, and I am just going to share a quick video about my son's progress since we've been on the Natural Recovering Autism Program. And I just want to share that I hesitated for a long time to commit to this program because after being on this journey for 5 to 6 years and trial and error with a child with autism, I just thought, how is this going to be any different? And and so I'm so thankful that I jumped in and joined Karen on this journey. And I want to just say that there is a lot of information that she gives, which is amazing. And it can seem very overwhelming. Um, and and I love the support that she gives. And so if you're looking at doing this, um, and just don't know how it's going to work out for you, I'd suggest you just jump in, because the support in the forum is amazing. And one thing that I've experienced is that even a small step in the right direction is better than no step. And so I'm glad I took the chance and just looked into to just joining this group and taking the step to see, well, maybe what if it works. And so my son is 9 years old, and he was diagnosed on the autism spectrum when he was 3.5. And he has a very super limited diet, and he has, the way I kind of feel it is the fear to go to the bathroom, really, because he kind of holds it in, which causes a very messy situation, and it cycles. But yet, I hear a lot about the gut, so I know it is gut related with what he has been exposed to. And so really, our journey has consisted of really, his diet is so limited, and his preferred foods are not great. So this helped me to really focus on eliminating those. And the one thing that I've realized on this journey is we are finally to the point where he realizes that those things are not good for him. So whether it be his brain and his mind is thinking better, or it's the way he really feels when he has it, but I know his brain function is much better. He's very, so we really just started on the elixirs. And I just get a read from Robert and just kind of do that. I really haven't even been muscle testing him because I don't know why. I'm just afraid to do it on my own. I've been doing emotional coding for myself. So once I learned about that, it's been so beneficial for me. And I think the energy that I have has probably, that I've been able to release, the heart walls and everything that I've been able to release has probably benefited him. So I do not muscle test him, and that is my next thing, is to be able to muscle test him with all these products. But in the past, he would have gotten frustrated by me just doing that with him. And so now he's more calm. His communication is amazing. His adaptability to things, he will talk and you can reason with him. He's just, it's hard to pinpoint. That's why I wanted to do a video, because I just couldn't write it all out. But my family can be sitting in a room together, and my daughter was out of town, and we looked at each other, and we shared with her that over the last 3 days he's just seemed so normal, seems so typical, super interactive with his siblings. And that's just the beginning. Those elixirs were kind of the easiest thing for me to do because I could add them into his drink. So that's what we did. And so just the simplest start to doing something has been beneficial for us. And, so now I think the way, his mind is actually working so much better that it'll be easier for me to introduce those good foods that I want to introduce and that are recommended. I talk about them a lot, but I try to prevent him from having a lot of anxiety around food. And so I've been taking it slow. And I've probably only been on the program. I'm checking into that to see actually what date, when did we start? And so I'll have to look back in my calendar, but it's only been maybe 6 months, 5 to 6 months. So it's been going really well. And if you have any questions or if I can answer anything, join the forum or talk to Karen. I'll be in contact with her about any other things that pop up. It's so hard to kind of, we also use essential oils, and his main nutrients is goat's milk. So that is his main nutrients, is the goat's milk. So I feel pretty good about that. But yeah, if there's a way that I can help you, or if there's more information that pops up, it's hard when you're kind of on this journey to really document. I really recommend doing that, journaling how things are going, because it's hard to remember, like, where were they? He was nonverbal at 3.5, up until he was about 5. And what I started then was frankincense and the goat's milk. So it has been wonderful, and I highly recommend that you jump in and take it slow. And Karen is awesome for communicating and responding, and the forum is great. So I just highly recommend it.